Gravity Forms Elite includes the survey, quiz, and polls add-ons that help you collect valuable feedback from your users. In this video, we're going to take a quick look at the polls add-on. The polls add-on lets you ask a question and present multiple choices for users to select from. This can be a fun way to engage with your users and is a breeze to set up. To use it, first be sure you have the polls add-on installed and activated on your site, then create a new form. Next, add the poll field to your form. For this video, I'm going to create a poll that settles an age-old debate, cats versus dogs. For the poll type, you can select radio buttons, drop-down, or checkboxes if you want users to be able to choose more than one option. For this example, I'm just going to go with radio buttons. You have the option to enable an other choice, as well as randomize the order of the choices. Once you're happy with your poll, you'll want to head to the poll settings for this form to further customize everything. You have the option to display the poll results after a user votes, as well as add a results link so that visitors can view the poll results without voting. You can also opt to display percentages and vote counts. Importantly, you can also use the style option to configure how the poll results are displayed. And once your poll is live on your site, you'll be able to see a breakdown of how your users voted by heading to the poll results page. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks as always for watching. I'll see you in the next one.